If you're seeing a Photopea ad blocker error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it so you can get back to editing without interruptions. This usually happens when an ad blocker, privacy extension, or browser protection feature is blocking something Photopea needs to load properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to whitelist Photopea, adjust your browser settings, and test whether the issue is caused by an extension or a stored browser setting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. If the error message appears right away, the first thing you should try is whitelisting Photopea in your ad blocker. Look at the top right or extension area of your browser toolbar and click your ad blocker icon, such as uBlock Origin or Ad Block. Once the menu opens, look for an option like Pause on this site, Disable on this domain, or anything similar that allows Photopea through. This step is important because ad blockers sometimes block elements on the page that Photopea needs in order to function correctly. After you turn it off for the site, refresh the page using Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem immediately. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is any cookie or privacy extension you have installed. Some extensions block cookie banners, consent pop-ups, trackers, or scripts that websites use to confirm the page is loading correctly. Extensions like I don't care about cookies can sometimes trigger Photopea's ad blocker warning even if your main ad blocker is not the problem. Go through your active extensions and temporarily disable any privacy tools or add an exception for photopea.com if that option is available. Then reload the page again and see if Photopea opens normally. Now let's adjust your browser's built-in protection settings, because sometimes the browser itself is causing the conflict. If you're using Brave, click the orange lion icon next to the address bar and turn shields down for Photopea. That tells Brave not to block scripts or page elements for that site. If you're using Firefox, click the shield icon next to the website address and turn off enhanced tracking protection for Photopea. If you're using Microsoft Edge, open edge://settings/privacy, then change tracking prevention from strict to balanced. These built-in protections are great for privacy, but sometimes they can interfere with Photopea and trigger false ad blocker messages. Another really useful test is to open Photopea in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N, and on Mac, press Command+Shift+N. Then visit photopea.com again. Private mode usually disables many extensions by default, so if Photopea works there but not in your normal browser window, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions or stored browser settings is the cause. This is one of the fastest ways to narrow down the problem without changing too many things at once. If Photopea still doesn't work, do a full refresh and then restart your browser completely. Sometimes the browser needs a full restart to apply extension or privacy changes properly. If the issue continues after that, clear your site data for Photopea and try again. That can remove old cookies, cached scripts, or broken session data that may be keeping the error in place. Once the page reloads cleanly, Photopea should work normally again. So to quickly recap, first whitelist Photopea in your ad blocker, then disable any cookie or privacy extensions, adjust your browser's tracking protection or shields, test in a private window, and finally refresh or restart if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the issue. If this tutorial helped you fix the Photopea ad blocker error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and leave a comment if you want a guide for another Photopea problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.